He hates this with his life. The fact that this is happening right now is a miracle. Good boy, Otis. Let me dry your foot. Oh my goodness, you're gonna have the driest foot in all of the land. Who doesn't like dry feet? Good boy. See? I don't bother your ears. Good job. Do your booty. Good job. I'm sorry, I got your ear. I'm sorry. No. Good boy. Stay. Okay, no. Never mind, he's not again. That was short lasted. Okay, I'm sorry. Oh! Oh, you got Dad. Oh, my Lord. Otis. Oh, you put all your weight where you weren't supposed to, buddy. That's the end of that video.